The Opioid Crisis. The epidemic is the subject on everyone's lips and in local and national news reports every week. Pinellas County is not immune, and our faith-based community leaders are well aware of that fact. The Focus Community Connection Symposium held at Anona United Methodist Church highlighted the challenges our communities currently face in the wake of this ever-growing tragedy. Entitled The Opioid Crisis in the Faith Community, social service workers, faith-based community leaders, and several authorities came together to put a spotlight on how to better serve and educate local congregations about the resources available as our country struggles to combat this national emergency. It was a full day of enlightenment, starting with a welcome from New Path Community Church Senior Pastor Bill Lasasso.
At Focus, we're a group of individuals who come together to plan and to put on symposiums. And we choose subjects that are very relevant to the world around us. The idea, by the way, to bring the faith community and the secular social service world together to better serve all of our people was the brainchild of one of the greatest leaders in the battle to help children and families in the history of Pinellas County. She's currently the Chief Executive Officer of the powerful Juvenile Welfare Board and is the co-chair of Focus. Let's welcome Dr. Marcy Biddleman.
Thank you very much. I'd like to just welcome everybody this morning. We're always pleased to be part of this and to help to bring the faith community and together with all of us who work in the field of social services, of helping children and families, of just providing everything that we can. There's no doubt in my mind, and I've always said this, that the first social workers were in the church who hand out not only good advice, but they know where that people can get help.
We thank you, dear Heavenly Father, that we, your children...
The warm welcome was followed by prayer and songs of praise to start the day. Then keynote speaker Gail Guidish, the facilitator of the Pinellas County Opioid Police Task Force, took the stage to give an informative and enlightening presentation. Ms. Guidish went on to describe how opioids work in the body, as well as provided an in-depth explanation about these drugs and how devastating they have been to Pinellas County. Following Ms. Guidish's impassioned and informative presentation, there was a panel discussion featuring some of the most prominent law enforcement, health and children's advocates, religious leaders in the community, as well as testimonials from a former user about his struggle with opioids and finding healing in his faith. The faith-based community and social service providers working in concert are fighting hard to solve this national epidemic right here in Pinellas County. It will take this kind of effort on all fronts to make a dent in its effect on our families. The Juvenile Welfare Board is very grateful to have the support of its partners and community as we strive to combat this problem. If you or someone you know is struggling with opioid addiction, call the 24-hour helpline at 888-727-6398.